How to make a collage on Instagram stories on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make a collage on Instagram's story on iPhone. But before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your Instagram, and after you're on your Instagram, you can start creating a story. So start with a story, and let me just go to my camera, and make sure you're on this story section right here. Then right here on the left hand side you'll find a layout button. Tap on layout, and after you find layout you can tap on change grid to find what type of layout you want. So select any layout. I'll just use this four buttons, and from here you can select the images from your gallery as well, like this. You can start selecting the pictures, and finally after you're done with the picture you can tap on done, and there you have it. You have just made a collage on Instagram story. Then you can tap on your story to add it. And that's basically it guys. That's how you make a collage on Instagram story. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.